Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Siva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. In this video, I will explain the important current affairs which are related to COVID-19 pandemic. We start. Name the organization which launched the competition titled United Against Corona Express through art. The art in the time of Corona. Answer is Indian Council for Cultural Relations. Indian Council for Cultural Relations has launched competition titled United Against Corona Express through art. The headquarter of Indian Council for Cultural Relations is New Delhi and president is Vinay Sahasrabuddhe. Next, name the hackathon launched by Sanjay Dhotre, Ministry of State for HRD and IT to solve the problems due to COVID-19. Answer is Hack the Crisis India. Hack the Crisis India is a hackathon launched by Sanjay Dhotre, MOS, HRD and IT. Next, name the initiative launched by Civil Services Officers Association to fight COVID-19. Answer is Karuna. Karuna stands for Civil Services Association reach to support in natural disasters. Next, the blue chip venture capital firm has jointly set up a action COVID-19 team. Grant worth of how many crores? Answer is 100 crore. Next, name the Indian state or union territory which has announced 5T plan to control COVID-19. 5T stands for testing, tracing, treatment, teamwork, tracking and monitoring. This is announced by New Delhi government. Next, name the initiative which was launched by Human Resource Development Ministry along with AICTE for students to fight COVID-19. Answer is Samadhan. Samadhan is a initiative which is launched by HRD Minister along with AICTE to fight COVID-19 for students. Next, name the Indian state or union territory which launched Operation Shield in containment areas against COVID-19. Answer is New Delhi. Next, name the first Indian state which gets ICMR approval to conduct clinical trial of plasma therapy treatment for COVID-19. Answer is Kerala. Chief Minister of Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan and Governor is Arif Muhammad Khan. Next, which organization organizes Break the Corona Chain? Break the Corona Chain campaign on ground zero of various Indian states. Answer is IFFCO. Indian Farmers Fertilizers Cooperative has organized Break the Corona Chain campaign on ground zero of various Indian states. The headquarter of IFFCO is New Delhi and chairman is B.S. Nakai. Next, name the first state in India which integrates Ayurveda and allopathy to boost immunity of COVID-19 patients. Answer is Goa. Goa is first state in India which integrates Ayurveda and allopathy to boost immunity of COVID-19 patients. The Chief Minister of Goa is Pramod Sawant and Governor is Satyapal Malik. Next, Name the first Indian state which initiative pool testing for COVID-19 which is approved by ICMR. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is first Indian state which initiated pool testing for COVID-19. Next, name the first Indian state which carried out rapid testing for COVID-19. Answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the first Indian state which carried out the rapid testing for COVID-19. Chief Minister of Rajasthan is Ashok Gehlot and Governor is Kalraj Mishra. Next, name the first government hospital in India which successfully launched convalescent plasma therapy or CPT treatment for COVID-19 patients. Answer is King George Medical University. King George Medical University is the first government hospital in India which successfully launched convalescent plasma therapy treatment for COVID-19 patients. King George Medical University is in Uttar Pradesh. Next, name the organization which has launched Lockdown Learner series of online danger dialogues with students and educators in India on COVID-19. Answer is United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes. United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes has launched Lockdown Learner series of online dialogues with students and educators. The headquarters of United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes is Vienna, Austria. Next, which group of countries has launched the Access to COVID-19 Tools Accelerator initiative recently? Answer is G20. G20 countries has launched Access to COVID-19 Tools Accelerator. Next, which state government has launched Jeevan Amrut Yojana scheme to boost immune system of people to fight COVID-19? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh state government has launched Jeevan Amrut Yojana scheme to boost immune system of people to fight COVID-19. Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor is Lalji Tandon. Next, with which general insurance company in partnership with Bharat Pay has launched COVID-19 protection insurance cover for shopkeepers? Answer is ICICI Lombard. ICICI Lombard in association with Bharat Pay has launched COVID-19 protection insurance cover for shopkeepers. The headquarters of ICICI Lombard is Mumbai. Next, Corona Care. Corona Care, the first hospitalization insurance provided by which digital payment company in collaboration with Bajaj Allianz Insurance? Answer is PhonePe. The headquarters of PhonePe is Bengaluru. Next, what is the ADB's assurance support package to India to fight COVID-19? Answer is 2.2 billion. 2.2 billion support package by ADB Bank to India. The present president of ADB is Masatsu Asakawa. ADB headquarters is Philippines. Next, with which healthcare startup Rajasthan government has partnered to tackle COVID-19 using integrated solution Ayu and Sahat Seti app. Answer is Medcods. Medcods healthcare startup along with Rajasthan government has partnered to tackle COVID-19. Next, name the person who heads the 7-member committee formed by UGC of Ministry of HRD that look after examination and academic calendar of students that affected due to COVID-19. Answer is R.C. Kuhad. R.C. Kuhad is the head of the committee, and the headquarter of UGC is New Delhi, and the chairman of UGC is D.P. Singh. Next, name the coronavirus risk tracking app which was launched by Government of India. Answer is Corona Kavach. Corona Kavach. Present Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology is Ravi Shankar Prasad, and Health Minister is Harshavardhan. Next, name the person who head the team which developed coronavirus testing kit called MyLab PathoDetect COVID-19 Quarantine PCR kit. Answer is Minal Dakave Bhosle. Minal Dakave Bhosle, head of the team which developed MyLab PathoDetect PCR kit. Next, find the Indian state which has launched the app Self-Declaration COVID-19. Answer is Nagaland. Nagaland state has launched Self-Declaration COVID-19 app. The Chief Minister of Nagaland is Nepurio, and Governor is R.N. Ravi. Next, what is the official dedicated Twitter handle for COVID-19 launched by Information and Broadcasting Minister? Answer is @COVID News by MIB. Next, name the central government first comprehensive COVID-19 tracking app. Answer is Arogya Setu. Arogya Setu is the first comprehensive COVID-19 tracking app. It is developed by National Informatics Center which comes under Government of India. Next, name the organization which developed a biosuit with self-sealing seam to keep health professional fighting COVID-19. Answer is DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. The headquarter of DRDO is New Delhi, and establishment year is 1958. Next, name the app which was tested by the government to locate quarantine violators. Answer is Geofencing. Geofencing is an app which is tested by the government to locate quarantine violators. Next, the Press Information Bureau has set up COVID-19 fact check unit to curb fake facts and news. Press Information Bureau comes under which ministry? Answer is Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. The present Ministry of Information and Broadcasting is Prakash Javadekar. Next, which among the following railway manufacturing unit has developed low cost ventilator G1 to fight COVID-19? Answer is Rail Coach Factory Kapurthala. Rail coach factory Kapurthala is the railway manufacturing unit developed low cost ventilator named G1. Next, name the Indian state which has deployed India's first automated COVID-19 monitoring system application. Answer is Telangana. Telangana state has deployed India's first automated COVID-19 monitoring system application. The Chief Minister of Telangana is K. Chandrasekhar Rao and Governor is Tamilisai Sundararajan. Next, name the MNC which has launched Watson Assistance for Citizens in India to address COVID-19. Answer is IBM. The headquarter of IBM is New York, USA and CEO is Aravind Krishna. Next, researchers of which institute has developed the cost-effective disinfectant chamber named Zero Cow. Answer is NIT Karnataka. National Institute of Technology, Karnataka. Next, name the multilingual science communication initiative launched by Government of India. Answer is COVID Gyan. COVID Gyan is a multilingual science communication initiative launched by Government of India. Next, which command of Indian Navy has developed air evacuation pad for COVID-19 patients? Answer is Southern Command. Southern Command Kochi has developed an air evacuation pad to aircraft COVID-19 infection patients. Next, name the Indian ministry which has launched COVID India Seva. COVID India Seva Twitter handle engage citizens on COVID-19 for answering real-time queries. Answer is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Present Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is Harshavardhan. Next, which Indian state or union territory is going to use Assess Corona app? Assess Corona app for door-to-door survey in containment zones. Answer is New Delhi. Next, which municipal corporation has developed SIM mobile app to track home quarantined people? Answer is Pune. Next, find the Indian state which has developed Aptamitra helpline toll-free number and an application to empower the people to fight against coronavirus pandemic. Answer is Karnataka. Chief Minister of Karnataka is B.S. Yediyurappa and Governor is Vajpayee Rudibhai Wala. Next, name the Indian institute which has developed dashboard named Prakriti to predict spread of COVID-19 in India. Answer is IIT Delhi. IIT Delhi has developed Prakriti to predict the spread of COVID-19. Next, name the IIT which has designed war boat which can deliver medicine and food to COVID-19 patients. Answer is IIT Ropar. IIT Ropar has designed war boat which can deliver medicines and food to COVID-19 patients. Next, name the scientist of which IIT has developed a software which can detect COVID-19 within 5 seconds using X-ray scan of the suspected patient? Answer is IIT Roorkee. IIT Roorkee has developed COVID-19 within 5 seconds using X-ray scan of suspected patient. Next, which board has created Team Mask Force to create awareness about wearing masks? Answer is BCCI. BCCI stands for Board of Control for Cricket in India. The present president of BCCI is Sourav Ganguly. He is the 39th president of BCCI. Next, Maria Theresa, who passed away due to COVID-19, the princess of which country? Answer is she is the princess of Spain. The capital of Spain is Madrid and Prime Minister of Spain is Pedro Sanchez. Next, Jafar Sarfraz, who passed away recently due to COVID-19, is the first class cricketer of which nation? Answer is Pakistan. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad and Prime Minister is Imran Khan. Next, which Indian institute has developed the prototype for indigenous ventilator under Project Prana? Answer is IISc Bengaluru. Next, name the Indian institute which, in collaboration with AIIMS Rishikesh, prepares low-cost portable ventilator named Pranavayu. Answer is IIT Roorkee. IIT Roorkee, in collaboration with AIIMS Rishikesh, prepares low-cost portable ventilator named Pranavayu. Next, name the company which has launched first home screening kit. First home screening kit for COVID-19, which was approved by ICMR. ICMR stands for Indian Council for Medical Research. Answer is Bion. Bion is a company which launched first home screen kit. Next, Aerobiosis Innovations, the startup that incubated at which Indian institute has developed low cost ventilator called Jeevan Light? Answer is IIT Hyderabad. Aerobiosis Innovation, a startup that incubated a Jeevan Light low cost ventilator at IIT Hyderabad. Next, name the ministry which released the revised version of Swachhata app to answer queries related to COVID-19. Answer is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. The present Minister of Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs is Hardeep Singh Puri. Friends, these are the important current affairs related to COVID-19. If you want quizzes based on this video, join my Telegram channel. Link is given in description box. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.